your Christmas will never be the same.
Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, and his little elf crew. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, and his reindeer too. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center. You know what to do. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center. Just twerk at the center.
Twerking is the Santa, gotta twerk it like this. To the left.
What's good, everybody? My name is Will, and welcome to the apartment makeover series. Finally, oh my god, it took me so long. Child, I moved in here in March.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, I moved in here and I was like, ooh, I can't wait to show y'all my apartment. I can't wait to do an apartment tour. Where is the footage, Will? Yeah, so I'm sorry about that. It did take me a very long time. I'm an Aquarius.
Wait a minute.
I be starting projects, not finishing them type T's. I don't really know if that's an Aquarius thing, but I just be using it as an excuse. Anyways, in that time since March, I did decorate. I did do a lot of stuff, especially for my living room, which I did not film, so that's just going to be a surprise at the end of this series. What this and the next video will be, however, is just all of the footage that I had from me decorating my office and my bedroom. But this video is going to be about the office. No, let's get into it. So at the end of the day, what I want my office to be is a place where I can edit and do work, a place where I can take pictures like photography and stuff like that, and also a place to film. Obviously, I need it to be a set. So first up, let's go ahead and take a little tour. Here's my office. When you come into my office, you'll come in through, there's a door here, I just closed it. You'll come in, right? There's this wall where I do my filming. There's a bathroom over there that leads into another closet where I keep all of my like filming equipment. And then over here is my desk. It's kind of a hot mess right now, y'all. What's going on? I'll be munching on the munchies, watching my live streams back. This is kind of what I'm working with right now. It's just this desk and it's kind of messy. Kind of? Baby girl.
You should be ashamed of
I
yourself.
definitely want a new desk because if you look closely, girl, whose cat was in here?
What was that?
The paint is peeling off pretty quickly. I've had this desk for 2.5 years, so I kind of want to sell it. Over here I have my file cabinet, my mic for voiceovers, and then my printer. So my plan for this space is to get a new desk here that stays right there. I did want a corner desk. That would have been great and perfect, but I cannot for the life of me find any simple corner desk, like L-shaped desk that just looks sleek and modern. Over here, what I realized is when I'm sitting down in this chair, editing at that desk, the sun every day at like around 6 p.m. will beam directly in my eyeballs.
Hey, hello.
So annoying. I have a backdrop stand. Invest in some backdrops, block the sunlight out that way, add some functionality to this space so I can also take pictures and film in front of the backdrop as well. I have all this stuff here, all these picture frames and cork boards and stuff like that I'm gonna use in this space. I'm thinking that I should get like wallpaper.
Okay.
But I don't know. Wallpaper really affects the way that your color balances on these like mirrorless cameras that I have. I'm not sure about that. I don't want to spend like $100 and then realize I'm looking like an Oompa Loompa. I also have like a side table down here that I bought a long time ago, but I never put it together. So I'll be putting that together for this space as well. All in all, right now, this place is just like kind of messy and it's unorganized. Right. So here's one last view of my office. Get a good look. Overall, there's no real defined space. Everything's just kind of everywhere, you know? My lights are strewn about, and I have a bunch of stuff just lingering around that needs to be placed on the walls. My desk space is so crowded and unorganized, and overall, it's just stressing me out. So it's time to get the ball rolling, baby girl, like a game of bowling.
What?
I'm going to first go ahead and clean up the place. Honestly, I've been tossing things left and right, so much so that I don't even know what's even here. Like these 15,000 picture frames that I have, because apparently I'm in spiritual bondage with secondhand picture frames from Goodwill. Like this is my wallet right before I pay for another picture frame that I'm not gonna use.
Stop it!
Anyway, I'm gonna spray and wipe down everything, my desk, everything. Clean the floor a little bit. Organize the lights. Vacuum some more.
That's loud.
Stare at some papers for about 10 minutes to see if I need them, getting frustrated because I'm confused. Why do I have this paper? And then shredding them anyway.
Bye.
And then just tearing through all of the random stuff that I have everywhere. Just get it organized. And finally, we are done. So after I cleaned my office, I headed over to IKEA to like shop a little bit. This is my favorite part. It brings me joy to get new things for my space. I like decorating my nest, so to speak. I love that. But buying stuff for my apartment in general ended up being a over 5-month long journey. Why? It's because of the pandemic. Everything was going in stock, out of stock, doing the hokey pokey on the website. Baby girl, put your left foot in or keep it out. I couldn't get my hands on nothing, sis. So it took me longer than 5 months.
No excuses.
It's not an excuse.
Oh.
So for my office, I was actually thinking about maybe switching up the whole thing. Instead of a desk like I usually sit at, maybe a couch, filling it with pillows and then just filming from a couch inside my office. The couches are really expensive. Desks are also very expensive, but some of the couches are really comfy. This is a cute, comfy couch. Let me sit on this couch. Oh, never mind. No, Girl, I'm embarrassed. I looked at the desks and I'm a little afraid that they don't have the legs that I need. The way my desk is going to be set up, it's going to be facing the window. We have west-facing windows, and the sun literally beams right into the place, and that just be hurting my eyes.
Bye.
Wow, it looks so good. Okay, I got this desk from IKEA. It was super cheap. The top and the bottom half were so hard to get my hands on. These little red things, I saw them in IKEA and they were available, but I was like, I want to buy that, but I don't know what top I want with it. In the showroom, it had a cherry wood top. It looked good together, but it looked like a kitchen top, like something that belonged in the kitchen. So I was like, I'm not going to get these little supports until I find the top that I want with it. And then I came back to IKEA and then I saw this tabletop and I was like, wait, that would look good together. But then these things went out of stock. I looked at the desks and I'm a little afraid that they don't have the legs that I need. And I was like, well, I'm not gonna buy the tabletop until these things come back in stock. And then these things came back in stock and then this was gone. Thank God that they both came back in stock because they were both slated to not come back until January of 2022.
Oh, Lord.
Finally, 5 months later, I'm finally here and I finally have the desk that I'm looking for, or the desktop. It's right here. Girl, now how do I get this damn Lord? Jesus Christ. Somebody help me. Help on aisle 10. And it's real cheap, it's $33. Oh, this is perfect. I love it. Okay, I'm out. Finally, I have them here. I also got that cute little chair in the back. It's kind of like, you can kind of see it speckled a little bit. So it looks really cool. It's made out of really cool material. It is cheap, you know what I mean? And it could break at any moment. But at the same time, it's pretty sturdy. And it's good enough for this. I'm not going to be using it every single day. Now, I just have to put together my actual work desk, which is over there. It's real messy. I put my desk together off camera, and might I say, it's looking very cute. I did end up going with the Alex gray desk. Here's a picture of it from IKEA. Most of my stuff is from IKEA. And this was great for 3 reasons. One, the gray color really just adds like a bit more like weight to my space. It's not like airy and white in my office. I'm not going for that vibe. I want grounded, warm. I want like sophisticated. I want it to feel like an office, not no student center, baby girl. But you get the point. I don't want a co-working space, something that's like bland enough to fit everybody's style. I wanted something that had personality and color. And this desk fits right on in. 2, it has a space for cord organization built into the desk, which is so lovely because I realize that I have a ton of cords for everything. And so I can just like close them into the desk and it looks good. Looks good to me. And 3, it is a bit deeper. So I can actually put my computer and my stuff on it and still have space for my hands to do typing and editing and stuff like that. All in all, it really was a great choice and it looks good. Now that I got a new desk, I need a new chair.
It's been nice knowing you, kid, but your time is up, toots. Scram!
I'm sick of this chair. It like slowly falls down every time I sit in it. It's like slightly fixable, but like it would cost a lot of time and not that much money, but just energy. Ain't nobody got time for that, you know what I mean? I think it's time to bid this one adieu. You know what I mean? Like, goodbye. I didn't necessarily want this exact chair anyway when I bought it. I remember being like, ugh, whatever, okay. Because my other chair had broken and this one was the cheapest, most comfortable solution for the time. So I bought it, but it's going away today because I got a new one. Look, FLEXISPOT.com, baby girl sent me this chair and it's so cute. Last night I was editing for 2 hours and I kept sinking in that other chair, and I was like, listen, today's the day. So I'm gonna put this baby together. Thank you, FLEXISPOT, for sending me this. I appreciate it so much because, listen, this is state of the art, baby girl, okay? They also have standing desks and a whole variety of other office sort of furniture, so definitely go check them out. I'll link them down below, but let's go ahead and put this thing together. Oh my goodness, look at this beaut. Okay, we have neck support, we have lumbar support. My other chair didn't have adjustable like hand rests. This one does. So now it fits underneath my desk. That thing used to take up so much space because I had to like keep it out from under my desk. But this baby rolls right under the desk, which is really nice. I have a bit more space here. That's really nice. Oh my God, yes. And it's all black. That's what I wanted. I wanted something that was like all black. That one had these like this silver detail that I didn't really like. I thought it looked kind of cheap. But this one is made of really good like material. Like the base is really sturdy, the wheels are really nice, and this material is like really bouncy. It has lots of give, so it's super comfy. Thanks again to FLEXISPOT for sending me this little gift. I appreciate it so much. Oh my God. Anyway, so now that I have a desk and a chair that's fully squared away, I had my old desk laying around and I was like, I don't know what I want to do with this. Do I sell it? Do I throw it away? Do I give it away? I don't really know. But then I had the bright idea to paint it. So I made an outline for what I wanted to paint on my desk. I went with like a giant jumbo like cow print. Cow print really is just cute. I don't know. Something about it is very like childlike, but also pretty sophisticated. It's just really appealing to me and the homegirls. But the tea was that I started at like 10 p.m. painting, right? I started painting at 10 p.m. And how come I didn't stop until 2 a.m.? Huh? For the first coat? Yeah. Just the first. Nah. TaskRabbit, come paint my desk a cow print because I'm very sick and tired. Actually, no, I'm kind of excited. I just lied to you. I'm sorry. He's a liar. I am up early in the morning painting my desk a cow print. I'm doing a second coat because as you can see, it's very ugly. Ugly. Just ugly. I'm no painter. I'm no Picasso. I am no Leonardo DiCaprio. I just want to be me, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just be me. But hopefully this will be done in the next like 5 minutes because this seems pretty easy. I finally finished the desk and it looks so good. I am shook, okay? But it looks really good from afar and kind of close up. I mean, close up you can see the brush strokes just a little bit, but it's still cute and it's like really on there. And so, I don't know. It looks really good to me. I like it. I was going to throw this desk out, but now it's a cool piece in my office. Okay, all right. So, it's a long time since the last clip was probably filmed because I've been drawing this thing out for so long now. But anyway, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet today. There's lots of stuff in there. A bunch of skeletons. Look at that. A bunch of things in my closet that I really want to get organized. It looks wild. Is there an outlet in here? Can I show you all? Oh, I forgot I have a light. What even is going on? It's a little bit organized because I did organize it once. Stuff on top of stuff back here. And so I bought a bunch of boxes and I'm just going to go ahead and 1, 2, 3. Go. Ta-da, baby girl. We have floor space. Look at that. Look at that. I can put my foot there. Everything is organized now. I have my workout equipment in here. Everything is all in a box. It has a place. I have these cute little boxes here that I got for $1.50 each at IKEA. They have all of my Christmas stuff, my Halloween stuff, random stuff from live streams, art supplies, electronics. Everything is organized very well. All my camera equipment is like kind of down there. These pillows that I have no idea what to do with anymore. What do I do with that? Because they surely enough didn't make the cut. I keep the box for everything, so it's nothing but boxes back there if you do a little peekaboo. So now that I have the basics, the bones of my space, I can finally start decorating the walls and things like that, which I'm gonna do off camera. I kind of want that to be a surprise for you all. I also have to take down all this stuff. I gotta take it all down.
It's not Christmas all the time up in here. But I will be putting stuff up on the walls and I can't wait for you to see that. I've already started hanging some stuff up. I got a bunch of new gear for my desk. I got this new lamp that you probably have not noticed, because why would you notice that? I put together a side table. Yeah, and I can't wait for you all to see it. I'm gonna be showing you all the full office, okay, fully decorated, in the final episode of this series. So the next episode, we will be decorating my bedroom. We'll be shopping for the bedroom and stuff like that. And that video will be much longer. I have so much footage for that. Why? I don't know. And then after that, I'll finally be able to film my full apartment tour. Finally, after living here for almost a year. But I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, see more, okay, and be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, my second YouTube channel, WillOnAWhim More, and TikTok, okay? Just don't follow me in real life. Don't do that. Hope to see you all back here real soon for another episode of WillOnAWhim, but until then, okay, bye.